Anybody, can you tell me the problem? Just to tell me the elements.
-4,
-4,
1,
1,
-1.
-1. Second row, I think -1, -1, -1, right?
Yes, sir.
Third one,
7,
7,
1.
-1. Right?
Yes, sir.
So now you have to apply the row transformations. First, you have to make this one -1 0 and this one 0. Which operation you have to apply? R2 as. So otherwise you can interchange R1 and R2. Then it will be easy to apply the row operations. Just I will change the R1 and R2. If you change the R1 and R2 means it will be equivalent to. So we'll write with this symbol, tilde symbol for writing the equivalence. -1, -1, -1, -4, 1, -1, 7, -3, 1. So now we have to make this -4 and 7 0. So that means you have to apply row operations R2 as. So both are having same sign. That means R2 minus 4 times R1. Next R3 as R3. So both are having different symbols. That means you have to write plus 7 R1. So just to apply the row operations, we are not altering anything to first row. -1, -1, -1. Second row is, so this element anyway it will be 0, this also will be 0. So now 1 minus of -4 into -4 into -1. That means minus into minus will become plus. So 1 plus 4 means it will become 5. Next, -1 plus 4. -1 plus 4 means it will become 3. So now third row you check, -3 -7. How much? -10. Next, 1 -7, -6. So next what you have to do, you have to make this -10 as 0. Which operation you can apply? R3 as R3. So both are having different symbols or signs. So that means you have to write plus R3 plus 2R2. Right. So which will be first row, second row as it is, you note down -1, -1, -1, 0, 5, 3. Now it will become 0, 0, 0. How many non-zero rows you are getting?
2.
2 non-zero rows. Of the matrix is
2.
rank of given matrix, if you consider it as A means it will be 2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you are noting down, I'll give time. Otherwise, I'll clear the whatever I have written. Can I clear?
Yes, sir.
So this one answer is 2. Next one. Just to find out the rank of this one, just to try. Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Order of this matrix is 5 by 5. Option 5 is also there, rank, and then 2, and then 3, 4. So just you have to check the rank of this matrix is either it is 5 or 2 or 3 or 4. Just to try it in some rough shapes. Anybody got the answer? Shall I start discussion?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll start. Tell me matrix.
One minus 1 0 0 0.
Minus 1 0 0 0. Next.
0 0 1 minus 1 0.
Next.
0 1 minus 1 double 0.
Next.
Minus 1 all 0, sir.
All zeros.
Yeah, sir.
All zeros are check.
All 0, sir.
No. No, not all zeros.
And
So 1, sir.
Yeah, last element is 1. Next, 3 0. 1 minus 1.
minus 1.
So actually, 5 by 5 row reduced echelon form means this will be star, star, star. This should be 0 and this should be non-zero. It may be 0 or non-zero. The leading element in the each row should be non-zero. Remaining, it may be 0 or non-zero. Next, 0, 0. This is star, right? This is star, star. So last one, it should be like, this is the row reduced echelon form. So now we have the option of interchanging any rows. So in the first one, it's having first non-zero element. This one is already leading element, which is non-zero, let it be. So now, so which row is having only one row, first element? Third row. So I'll shift this one to R3 to R2 and then second. So this one R2 to R3. Next, so this one is having 3 rows, that is fifth one. I'll shift this one to fourth row and the fourth one I'll shift into last one. So these two I will interchange and these two I will interchange. So then you will get the matrix 1 minus 1 0 0 0. Next, third row you have to write for the second position 1 minus 1 0 0. Next, second row you have to write in the third row position 0 0 1 minus 1 0. Next, row you have to write in the position of fifth row you have to write in the position of fourth row 0 0
Oh, 1 minus 1.
1 minus 1. So now fourth row in the position of fifth row minus 1 0 0 0 1. So now up to 4 rows it's in echelon form. So only thing is you have to make this element 0. Now how we can make this element as 0? Anybody? Yes? What operation we can apply now to make first element of the fifth row to make that one as 0? What operation we can apply?
Add 1, sir.
You have to make that one 0 with R5 equals, yes, R5. To make this leading element 0, which operation you have to apply? Can you apply with the R1?
Yeah, sir.
So if you apply R5 plus R1 means the first element will be 0. What about the second element? You will get -1. Correct. So you have to make the second element also 0. So that means if you want to make that one as 0 means you have to apply with the R2. Are you getting why I am applying at a time R5 with the R1 and R2?
Sir.
So now R5 plus R2 means third position will be -1. So you have to make this third position also 0. That means you have to apply plus R3. Right. So if you applied R3 means third position, this position will be 0, but here you will get -1. So this also you have to make 0. That means you have to apply R4. So now all elements in the fifth row will become 0. Just to check, all the elements in the fifth row will become 0. So then you will get number of non-zero rows are 4. Therefore, the rank of the matrix will be 4. Is it right? Understood? Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
Without going through this method, if you are trying in another method means it will take so much time. Understood all of you? Anybody is having doubt?
No, sir.
Are you clear? So answer is D. Next one, the rank of the matrix. This one is simple. I think you will do. All of you will do. Just to try. So even I don't have given answer. What is that options also for this one? Just to tell me what is the rank of this one. Definitely it will be less than or equal to 3. One thing, because we know that if A is a matrix of order m by n, it will be less than or equal to order of that matrix, minimum of m by n. So here m equal to n. So that's why either it will be equal to 3 or less than 3. So just to tell me what is the answer. So simple this problem. Elements are 1, 1, -1, 2, -3, 4. And then third row elements are 3, -2, 3. How much answer?
2. Rank is 2.
Yes, rank is 2, correct. Others should respond. Only one girl is able to find out. Remaining, what about remaining? Others you are not finding, or just you are not trying only? Are you trying?
Yes, sir.
Okay, try it. This is easy only, simple problem. Just to make first, second row, first element as 0. Similarly, third row, first element as 0. So to make first element of second and third row to 0, what you are going to apply the operation, same thing you have to apply for the remaining elements of the second and third row. After that, in case if you get the second position of the third element is non-zero, then you have to make that one 0 by applying with the R2. take snap of that and share your screen. Then others can check their solution with your answer.
I have sent it in the WhatsApp, sir.
Okay, I'll share then. One minute. No, can't open Chrome. You shared, huh?
Yes, sir. I only shared it.
Okay. Actually, I've not opened that time. So just to see,
Right? Picture.
so
Maybe I have
only
to.
2 rows are non-zero. That's why it will become, the rank of the matrix will become 2. So which step you are not getting? Others? Where you are feeling difficult? So there are 3 rows, all are non-zero only. How you made last row as 0? Yes. What's your name?
Kirtana, sir.
How you made last row as 0? 6 element is there.
So first, the question is actually this one, no, sir. 3 minus 2 and 3, the third row.
Yeah.
So I actually took 3, my R3 minus 3 into R1 I did. So the first R3 1 became 0, and then R3 2 also I made it as minus 5. Then I made R3. So it is 3 minus 3 into 1. So I got it as 0, sir.
Okay. No, but you
The
are
question,
3 non-zero rows now.
yes, sir.
3 non-zero rows means it will be rank of the matrix will be 3.
Wait, 1 second, sir. 1, 3.
1 minute I'll solve. Just to tell me the answer. You stop screen sharing.
Oh, that becomes 6. Oh, that is 6, sir.
Matrix.
Not 0, it is 6, sir.
Wait a minute, I'll solve. What is the matrix? Tell me, anybody?
1,
1,
1,
1,
minus 1.
minus 1. Second row,
2,
2,
minus 3,
minus 3,
4.
4. Next,
3,
3,
3, minus 2,
minus 2. Okay.
and then 3.
Once again, 3.
Yes, sir.
So now you have to find out. So anywhere leading element in the first row is 1 only. So we can apply operation R2 as R2 minus 2R1, R3 as R3 minus 3R1. So then it will become first row as it is, you have to note down 1, 1, minus 1. So this will be 0, this will be 0, minus 3, minus 2, minus 5. 4 minus of minus will become plus 2. 4 plus 2 means it will be 6. Next, minus 2 minus 3 means it will be minus 5. Next, 3 Minus of minus 3 will become 6. This is minus 5, 6. Here only you made mistake. Right?
Yes.
So now you
Yes,
can
sir.
apply R3 as R3 minus R2. Then, so no need to change anything. First and second row, right as it is. 0, minus 5, 6. So this will be 0, 0, 0. So only two non-zero rows. That's why rank of the given matrix will be equals to 2.
2.
Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Kirtana, where you made mistake? In third row, you made mistake in first step itself.
I did not see it properly. So there was -1. I left the -1. I took it as 1.
Okay. Others understood?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Next one is the rank of the matrix 2, minus 1, 3, 1. 1, 4, minus 2, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3. So this is a 3 by 4 matrix. So it should be less than or equal to 3, the rank. So just by applying row operation, it will be easy. In case if you want to make simplification, means in simplified manner, if you want to find out, means you have to make the first row, first element, leading element should be 1. To make that one as 1, you have to interchange R2 with the R1. Then the leading element will be 1. Then it will be easy for you guys to apply the row operations. So first step is you have to interchange R1 with R2.
Okay, sir.
After that, make first element of the second row, first element of the third row 0 by using elementary row operations. So what we can apply R2 as R2 minus 2R1 and R3 as R3 minus 5R1.
Sir, then the rank of the matrix will be 2 only, no, sir?
How?
Because 2 non-zeros, no, sir? Like 2.
Oh, you found already one full row is 0. Huh?
Wait 1 minute, sir. I'll do it.
Okay. So for more number of questions, just to download what is that Graywall book. So PDF will be available in net Google. In case if you are not getting in Google itself, means you can visit NSC library. So there you will get the what's that Graywall book soft copy PDF form. So every end of the module, after end of each module, they have given some objective type questions. If you gone through those questions, means it will be helpful for you guys to for the preparation. And once if
Okay.
I received some books from library side, means even I will ask them to scan those books and I will put it in group also. Actually, I ordered few books. I've given list to library. Once if they brought that books, means I'll share with you. What is the rank?
2.
4.
Two.
2.
2, sir.
Others, is it 2? Answer is 2 only, right? Others, how much you are getting? Just to share your screen. Kirtana.
Yes, sir. That's the final matrix, sir.
Yeah. So third row, all elements are 0. So just to see all of you. So final matrix, if you are showing, means they will not come to know anything. Others are it
I'll-
answer. In case if you are not getting, means I'll do it on board. Omkar, are you getting, man?
Sir.
Got the answer, Omkar?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pavan, Pavana? Pavana DV.
Yes, sir.
You got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Meghana,
Sir.
you got the answer? Rank is 2. Final answer should be 2. The number of non-zero rows. Sujay, R. Sujay. 17 ME075.
Yes, sir.
You got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in 2 minutes, it will get disconnect. So take 10 minutes break and then you join again to same meeting ID after 10 minutes. I will discuss only 2 more problems in that session. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Take 10 minutes break, guys.